Hey, watch this line. Gonna try and run it to where it's got power all the time, but it only came with a cigarette lighter plug, so I may have to do some hacking. We're gonna slide the wires to the top here. I think the plan is, you don't have to use this as a how-to, by the way. This is just, you know, us showing you what we're gonna do to ours. So we're not professionals. I think I'm gonna put it right up here somewhere, so that way I can see up top. There's Sally. For those who haven't seen her in a while, she's doing all right. She's having a little bit of seizures here and there, but she's still a good girl. Yes, she is. All right, well, get ready for this little adventure of chopping, cutting, slathering her in. All right, WolfBox G850. Let's see what's in the box. JR, hold the camera. Let's see what's here.
What's with the toe thing?
That's where you used to tow from.
Yeah.
All right, got a nice little box here. It's backwards.
Well, we probably want to see you in the...
Do we want to see me?
Nah, no. Not most people.
Oh. So we got the mirror, camera, what do you want to call it? Look at that. Look at it. Look at it, love it. Look at it, love it. It's nice. Gloss over that garbage. That'll stay there forever.
Hey, hey!
Backup camera. 12-volt plug, which we may hack into. Maybe, I don't know.
Do you have any spots left?
Well, on what my...
Yeah.
I'm not putting it on the thing. If anything, I was going to put it in the fuse box and turn on.
Fuse box?
The fuse box. It'll turn on all the time.
Do you have a fuse box?
Yeah. A little plastic clippies. Here's the GPS thing to tell you, I guess, if you hit a little too hard.
Do you got any of those fuse box things?
I have a bunch of them at home.
Because I don't have any.
I may have to just... I may use this for now, and I'll end up ordering the other wire set for later. Whole wolf box. Decals. Gotta have decals. Decals, people, decals. Trim puller, which is kind of nice.
Are you putting that decal on your truck?
Probably not. Unless WolfBox wants to hit me up with a sponsorship, we'll talk. We'll talk. Some instructions. Gloss over those.
Do you think WolfBox will watch your video?
Probably not. Hey, you don't know that. People watch.
Do they?
Hey, and while you're watching, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All right. So, what is this? Oh, this is if I did a license plate thing. So the license.
That's a reverse camera thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it flips up and down. I'm guessing for if you put it on your license plate or something.
Oh.
I guess.
Well, where are you going to put it?
It's going to go on my spoiler.
Yeah.
So I can see above. See?
How are you getting the wire out?
Through the top. And it's just going to come up and down.
You can drill a hole in the roof?
I don't have to.
Yeah.
I've got the holes for the, what are they called? Oh, the wiring for the backup light.
The sun visor.
No, the third brake light.
Oh, yeah.
It's got the lights that go out into the hatch.
You can get that through there?
I should be able to get this little guy. Yeah, I should be able to get that little guy through there. And this is the red wires for if you wanted to turn on the backup camera as soon as you... But I'm going to have it on at all times. So
24/7?
Yeah. Well, just on when I'm, when the truck's on. So I don't really... Oh, yeah, that's kind of nice. So I don't really need the red line right now. But, all right. Let's go out to the truck. That's right behind me. Let's go install this thing. Cut. Drop this.
I think he was hiding behind a cactus.
Nice.
You going to be able to get through that?
What?
Through those little rubbers?
Yeah, it's right up through here. I've already done it once before. Or no, did I come out through here when I did my solar panel? I think I came out through here. That's probably what I'll do again because I might be able to get it through the rubber. So I'm just going to leave that partially hanging. I don't feel like taking that on. Well, whatever. It pops on and off pretty easily, right?
Well, it looks like the thing, the seatbelt's in the way.
I think it goes around the seatbelt if I remember, because I've taken this down about 500 times.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, the seatbelt kind of goes with it. You know, because broken door latch. The Sequoia, broken door latch. As per usual.
Yeah, but that was funny.
That was kind of funny. Oh god, I'm getting too fat and old for this yet.
So if you're putting it up there and the door's open, you looking for airplanes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Recording of the aircraft.
Fighter jets?
There's some asbestos.
And a 2007 Sequoia?
All the dust.
That'd be more like, whatchamacallit? What's it called? Valley Fever.
Valley fever.
Sally knows. Sally says belly fever. I don't think you're gonna get that through there. Oh, maybe you will. Can you get it through the rubber?
You.
What does that come out of? Your third light?
Yeah.
Brake light? Whatever the hell.
Something like that. I'll close that down once I figure out where the camera goes and all that. Alright, so I'm gonna run it through all this trim. Great, that's gonna be fun. Stupid Rego offer. I mean, not stupid, it's cool.
Wouldn't it be easier if you just went out there in the front, come down underneath the car, and then put it somewhere here?
I don't want it down below.
Yeah.
I want to be able to see, like what Mom's car had, the Highlander.
Wasn't that in the?
No, it was on the tailgate itself.
Well, you don't have a. Oh, that's right. You wouldn't be able to
you'll
see
I
it,
have a spare tire in the way.
I sure do like the spare tire.
Yeah, I should just get in the way.
You gonna run that all along there?
Yeah. This is all weather stripping I'm shoving this under.
Just think mine
Is 1.5 feet long
well now.
on the inside.
Yeah, but mine doesn't go all the way back like this, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay.
Yeah. All right, so what we're doing is we're getting it right through the trim. I'll fix that here in a minute. And then we're gonna go through the weather stripping here. We're gonna come up and over, and then right down in.
Down in.
So I'll show you that in a minute. I'll bring you right back. All right, so we've got plenty of length. So now I got to figure out where exactly I want it so I can hide it. So I'm going to go ahead and install the camera now, or the mirror. And to do that, it's pretty easy. Mind the wires, mind me hopping in like a fat guy. So you got these little guys. They go around the back of the camera. So we'll start off with one. This might be a little hard to see and record. All right, so we get two different sets of these things.
What?
Nothing.
I was eating crackers.
I know. The thing that sucks is that it's not going to sit perfectly because of the camera. That's going to irritate me till the end of the day I die.
What camera?
The camera in the front.
Oh, so it has to be to one side a little bit?
So I think I'm going to go with the tighter of the two. Yeah. Yeah. So we're using the smaller of the two.
It looks even to me.
Well, it's not. You can see it over here.
Oh.
So for people that have severe, ADD, ADHD,
Whatever.
dyslexia, I don't know, you're going to hate this thing because it doesn't sit perfectly because of the way they built this thing. They should have put the camera way over or something. I don't know.
It is all the way over.
So, all right, so that's in. So now we got to find out where this plugs into. It plugs into one of them. So we'll pull this down.
Hey, well, I agree. Well, why don't you just plug it in to begin with?
I don't know. So GPS camera is this one. There we go.
It's not all the way in.
Yeah, it is.
You sure? I see some metal.
It's all the way in.
That would drive me crazy seeing that metal.
Yeah, probably.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's all the way in.
I don't know.
The question is, how am I going to do all this so it stays?
Well, you could take this black stuff off and then put it through it. And
Yeah, and
yeah.
it's pretty easy to do. Just is it going to...
It'll fit in there.
Well, no, I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about this crap.
The trim piece. What?
Do
Do you know what you're doing?
Not a clue.
Well, you also...
I don't think it is.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Now just don't move anything. And don't hit any bumps.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have to redo all this stuff on the side because I gave it way too much.
You should have left. You should have started up here.
Yeah, I really should have. So for all of you that do this, start on the front, work your way back. Don't work your way aft, or don't start aft and work your way forward.
Work your way aft?
No.
Forward.
Forward.
So you got to start from the back and work forward.
No, you start from the forward and work your way back.
Oh, okay.
All right. All right, so what we're doing to be smart is we're going to 3M it first, then put it on there, but Lord knows here in Arizona it'll never stay. So then we're gonna screw it in. That depends on how much you like your vehicle. Me, I love this truck, but it's more beat than you've ever seen. So you wanna make sure you hit it with a little antiseptic or whatever you call them, wipes.
Alcohol wipe.
Alcohol wipe here. Get it nice and clean. Let it dry for a second. It's clean enough for what we're doing. We're just letting it sit so it sits.
Oh, so you can screw the screws.
Yeah, so I can screw the screws.
Instead of like drilling pilot holes and stuff.
Well, you could do pilot holes, but that's probably the proper way to do it.
That's the easy way?
It's not the easy way. It's the proper way. We don't do proper here.
Yeah. You gonna have it centered? Did you tape it? Did you measure it off?
No, I'm just guessing.
Do you care?
Not really. If I go down the center of all my decals and my Toyota,
well, now when you look in your mirror, the vehicle behind you is not going to be to the left or the right because you don't have it centered, is it?
I was about to say what mirror, then I forgot. We're installing a mirror, an electronic mirror.
Nice.
All right, so that's held down. Well, now I'll have to hold that. And where's my screw? I'll rule you.
Oh, there's no wires up in there right there
Yeah,
at that point.
Couldn't guarantee it. Ah, it's nice and plastic. Easy day. That was a wire.
Yeah. I wonder why my third brake don't work.
Not like I'd ever know.
I know.
Is that the only light you look at when I stop, when you're behind me?
Well, yeah.
Because your Tundra can't keep up?
Because these ones don't work.
Do they not?
Yeah, they work.
I know
Maybe.
Work. I know they work. And now eventually I'll have to set it to where I want it.
Set it and forget it?
Yeah, pretty much. Out of the way, yeah.
What's the red wire for?
Red wire is for if you want to run it like a normal backup camera where it turns on when you throw it in reverse. Now I'm not going to do that because I want mine on at all times when I'm in the vehicle. Reason being is because I don't have a mirror. Well, I do, but you can't see past anything. So now I should at least...
Why? Because all that stuff's in the way in your tire? And
mainly the tire, I'll be honest.
And then, well, I've seen your vehicle before when you start loading it up. Is it all the crap too that's piled up?
I never really get it that high. Actually, I don't know if I've ever had it that high. So there's the camera installed.
Yeah. You call it installed?
Yeah. Installed's installed. Whether it's by an inch or a mile, installed is installed. So.
Get fired up.
Well, the camera is installed, not the rest.
Right.
So for this one, I guess I want to come up through here, over, and then down. I may have to use zip ties. So, well, there's my pedal commander.
Hey, it's on.
It is on. Why is it on?
Yeah, why is it on?
That charger, that never charges anything.
Oh, you got it plugged in already?
Yeah.
Oh.
But it shouldn't be on, I wouldn't think. Because I thought that cigarette lighter only turns on when...
Hey, look at SpaceX.
What? Let's look at the...
What
is that noise? What just went beep?
No, what's it like?
It's probably something you own.
Think so?
Some kind of junk.
What is it looking at? Wolfpack. Tells you the time and the date. So the 8th day? It's even...
Is it right?
He even knows that. Yeah. And the time is... No, it's an hour off. It thinks it's in Seattle.
Nice.
Wait a minute. They ahead or behind?
What time is it?
That says 2:22. My watch says 3:22.
Okay, I need some zip ties. Still gotta take the thing off. JR's out on the road. I only see your feet. So lift it up a little bit. Perfect. That's where I want it.
I'm gonna need probably a better pillow.
Probably. Take that off. And there you go. That's how you install a WolfBox camera in a first gen Sequoia. It's pretty clear, pretty nice. I have to use this thing more often. It's actually pretty cool. It's recording right now too. I think it thinks I've been in a crash. Oh, JR's finger's in front of it. This is nice though. Really updates Toyota to 2025, you know what I mean? The 07 is now 2025. So, I'm gonna play with the settings. I'll bring you back for the settings. Well, thank you for watching this video of bushfire builds. Not really a build video, but at least it's an install video on the Sequoia. So, got it all wired up. Can't really see the wires. I mean, you definitely can see the camera, but hey, it works nice. Ain't that right, JR?
Right, works perfect.
Then I got to figure out is how to stop it from recording every single time. But the cool thing is, front camera, both camera. That's pretty cool. So once again, thanks for watching. Catch us in the next one. We'll see you later. Bushfire.